It is early morning. The room is quiet.
I hear the forest.
I cannot sleep.
It is very quiet today. I see the tree house.
Mist covers the treehouse. Birds land softly on branches.
The air feels fresh. This ladder feels warm. You are awake.
Yes, I am. It feels different.
Yes, very quiet.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dad.
Are you okay?
I think so.
I drew the birds.
I brought my pencil.
Bird drawings fill the pages.
These are beautiful.
Thank you.
You both care.
We do.
They stand close together.
We must help.
Yes, we will. I will get the wood.
I will prepare the paper.
I will hold the paint.
Soft colors wait on the table.
I paint the birds.
I paint shapes.
I smooth the wood.
Hold it, please.
I got it.
I hold it tight.
Thank you.
The sign dries in the sun. The words look clear.
I tie the rope.
I carry it carefully.
I open the gate.
They walk into the forest. The forest feels calm.
Put it here.
Let me fix it.
It looks good.
Birds fly above. The sign moves in the wind.
I take photos.
Someone is coming.
They are slowing down.
The sign stands firm. Workers return to the forest. Machines move closer.
I feel scared.
Stay close.
I will.
I will talk to them. Look at these photos.
Markers show the border. The leader looks unsure. Birds fly up fast.
Oh no!
It is okay.
I am afraid.
I am watching.
The leader makes a call. The machines stop. The clipboard lowers. Workers step back. The forest grows quiet.
It is over.
Yes, we did it.
The treehouse shines again.
Here is water.
They are drinking.
They feel safe.
The nest is still.
I feel happy.
I feel calm.
Leaves move softly. The treehouse blends in. The sun goes down.
This feels good.
Yes, very good. I am proud.
I will draw again.
Me too.
Together.
The treehouse glows at dusk. Stars appear above. Birds fall asleep.
Time to rest.
The forest is calm.
Good night, treehouse.
I am sleepy.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
The treehouse stands strong. The forest is safe.